standoff between the Trump administration and a federal judge hitting a major point of contention. We've been talking all week about this one. That judge now accusing officials of evading questions about Saturday's migrant deportation flights, calling their answers woefully insufficient. NewsNation's Robert Sherman has more from Washington this morning. Robert, the judge is demanding even more now from the administration. What does he want at this point?
Yeah, Markie, that federal judge overseeing this case has described the information provided to him as you said, woefully insufficient, and says that the administration has until 10 o'clock this morning to deliver a declaration from someone at the cabinet level involved in the decision-making of these flights. Some of the info that the judge is looking for when it comes to these planes that landed in El Salvador. Who was on them? How many people were on them? What time they took off? What time they left U.S. airspace, landed, when the deportees on those planes were transferred out of American custody. The judge in this case, James Boasberg here in D.C., saying he's trying to determine if his court orders were, using his words, deliberately flouted, as the White House contends the planes were already out of U.S. airspace, so the rulings were not applicable. Here's what Caroline Levitt had to say on that.
We are 100% confident that we've complied, and as I said from the podium and will continue to say, all of the flights that were subject to the written order of the judge took off before the written order was pushed in the courtroom.
The Justice Department calling this, quote, inappropriate judicial overreach. Markie?
And Robert, just as we follow this moving forward, is it possible that the DOJ doesn't hand over any more information?
Yeah, it is. And that's what we're going to have to wait and see on. They could invoke the state secrets privilege, contending giving up too much information could jeopardize national security and operations of the federal government. They've not really said either way whether they intend to do that or not, though the judge in the case has seemed a bit skeptical of the risk, as some of the info regarding these flights is public and already out there on social media. But decisions will have to be made later this morning. Markie?
All right, Robert Sherman, thank you so much.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.